Good morning, traders. Good morning. How are you? Welcome. Today is 5/29/2025, Thursday, 9:07 a.m. Eastern Time, my time. My name is Anna DeShields, coach and trader. We have on the screen my Top Step account. We're going to go ahead and do New York Open Live 9:08. We are a little short on time, so I just have my screen shared with you. And I'm going to go ahead and just kind of walk you through what I do ahead of time pre-market. So I'm going to go ahead and do that now. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Remember, also traders, this information I'm sharing with you is educational purposes only. Educational purposes only. So let me go ahead and be sure I have that disclaimer showing. And what else do we want to share? The screen. Share the screen, girl. Okay, so let me see. We're gonna do this view right now. This view. Okay. So let's see here. I have I didn't need to go to the 1 hour and find my 1 hour 50. It's way up here now. So let's change that. 200 is right here. For 1 hour. And what I do is I use this information when I'm trading so I can know what's my way if something's not moving. So let's go down to the 30-minute. 30-minute 50 is not down here anymore. It's here. And 30-minute 200 is up here. Oh, you know what? I was just doing that. Well, we're not going to be able to do that now, are we? Hopefully my mic is working better. If those that are on, if you could let me know how the mic is sounding and hear my music, that would be so good. Okay, what else? So it's 15-minute 50s right here. All the EMAs are clunked up together. I'm gonna put this on the bottom. I'm gonna put this on the top. 1 hour 50 minute. 15-minute 200. That's up here. $30-minute 200. Let's make sure that's what it is. 15-minute. Now let's go down to the 5-minute. I have a 5-minute, I think. I think so. Okay, let's see if this is true. 15-minute 200 and 4-hour 21. Because that still is 200. Yeah, how about that? Okay. All right, let's go down to the 5. So let's start on the one layout. Okay, so this is the one layout. I'm keeping these notes on here just twice. Also, what I need to do is find out how many points are between at level. Let's see. So I'm going to pull up Trading View. Right there. And on the 5-minute, find out how many points are between each level. 100, 200. Here, we're at, yep, 200. Okay, good. Oh, wait, that says 400. Okay, so we gotta see if that's without 2 minutes. The reason why this is helpful, traders, is it allows you to determine your profit and your risk target. Oh, I'm gonna check this out. I'm in a trade right now. Before session. Is it selling money? Okay. All right, let's do a 15-minute and see. Let's go to 15-minute and see what the play is. That's going to look wrong too. Let's see what we would anticipate to happen with New York Open. I like to put my fibs online. Okay, we are like at almost a 100% retracement. So I'm going to go and do a low to high fib. So we have her coming down into here. So there's a bunch of things to write down. I don't know how you traders do it, but with mouses and computers and keyboards your way. Today's Thursday. I'm in my journal now. 5:29:55, 9:15 a.m. Okay. We're going to go to the HB zone, which is 108,230. Way. Okay, that's 500 points here. When you're trading, there's so much information that you're managing at one time, and without a team, you just forget everything. So I'm going to put 500 points. I'm going to make it orange because that's my time frame. And then I'm just going to know that's my heartbeat zone. Okay, now what we need to do is see if it'll let us open another window without kicking us out. Top step. Likes to be silly. Okay, good. Now I want to open up my scalping chart. This is my one layout chart. I want to load my scalping chart right here. All right, now we're going to do the same thing. I'm going to do one layout. We're going to go to the 1 hour. We got to hurry up here. One hour 50 is down here. Where's my 1 hour 200? 1 hour 200 is right here. Oh, they're getting ready to collide. So when that happens, we're going to have a change in trend. That's a 1 hour. Oh, Lord. Oh, that sells with a happy. Okay, that's good that it's selling. It's going to let us back in. It kicked me out. I think I had a 500 point stop loss. It was tight, but I'm having a certain thing I'm doing. What am I doing? Oh, we're looking at the names. This one, they're not getting ready to cross as much. When they cross, that means, big change in trend. They've been separate for a while. Since here, since May 6th. I missed a month. So, momentum is doing the opposite of what's going on. So we'll see. The 1 hour, the trend is changing. So if that's the case, then what's my fib? Oh, what happened to my fib? Oh, here we go. Okay, yes. So it fell all the way down. Great entry. I was in it, but then it kicked me out. So hopefully it's going to let us back in. Okay. So go back to here. And start. I don't need this. Oh, wait. Wait. That's a 1 hour. That's a 4 hour something. I think this is the old fib too. You can use the symbols though. All right, so let's hurry up and go down to we gotta hurry up. 15 minute and move all this stuff around. 15 minute 200 down here. 15 minute 50 is down here. 30 minute is up here. Let's make sure it's so flat. Oh, we didn't go to the 30 minute. Okay, the 15 and the 30 are right on top of each other. Okay, 15 minute 200. She's tanking nicely. trying to remember what I got in off of the sell. I don't know if it was the 2-minute or what. It was the 5-minute. Okay. Let me see where I'm going on this trade. $107, $8.13. $107, $8.13 on the 5. These guys are off. The burgers. See how many points are between each of these. This is old information actually, so just ignore that. 7. Oh, how much is this? 200 points. 200 points. Okay, I should anticipate her to come down to here. This zone. A 5-minute. Exodus cross. Here's our Exodus cross. Should be able to get down that low. No, you can't write nothing. Okay, we'll have to remember that. Okay. All right, let's hurry up. What time is it? 9:25. Oh, good Lord. 15 minutes. 15 minutes. 50 is right up here. 30 minute 50. I think that's right. That's wrong. 30 minute 50. No, that's right. Okay. All right, I think we're in good shape. Let's go to our layout. We need to put it back on. We need to put it back on the 3 layout. And we need to switch this to the 1 minute, 2 minute, and 5 minutes. Okay, we're already in our trade, but not on this. And we want to go to here. So since we already got our Exodus cross, we can either take momentum or wait for the pullback. So that's what's going on. Looking at Windows. Other computers. Oh, that's right. NAS. I was in the NAS cell too, and I had a very tight stop, and it kicked me out and then went beautifully. So that both my Bitcoin and NAS last night got kicked out. I was sleeping, so I didn't get back in. You know, I really don't do pending orders. Just never really have. So I think what I'm going to start doing is pending orders. when I first started out, just learning how to just trade in general. Now you want me to do something pending this, pending that. Like, I don't know what the heck. So let's put NAS on the big screen over here. And then we need Bitcoin over here. Okay, so we have to remember that we're in the cell right now in New York Open. Gosh, I'm working between all these different brokers platforms. Keep messing you up on all their 10,000 pop-ups. Bitcoin is at, this is the wrong one. Oh, I actually do need, no, I don't need that one. Here we go. Bitcoin, where's Bitcoin at? Bitcoin's going down, I don't want that. I want Bitcoin. Oh, look, look at a nice move down. Okay, good. And then we're gonna see the big picture here, and we don't have it marked. Where we're going. $107,920. $107,920. Now, again, I've been mentioning all week and last week, 107. What was that? 107,920? What was I mentioning? Being on the scalping team. Go to my website, amnadishow.com, and scroll down the page to, it says tryout. Nice trade, running nicely. My mind is trying to remember what I was looking at when I took this trade. Everything's visual with trading. Okay, we're hitting the 200, so coming right up. It's getting ready to wick our zone. Actually, it has hit our zone. It has hit our zone for TP. So let me manage this trade a little bit. Actually, we'll do it right where we wanted her to go. It's a bit inconsistent. Just a little bit more. It was right back up. Oh, you know what I want to be looking at? Damn it. Nah. It hasn't smart something. Dang it. Oh man. Dang, we missed the fall on us. Damn it. Oh, that's a bummer. Dang, that sucks. Right where I wanted it to go. Okay, so now that it's at where you wanted it to go, bottom, you have to play the roll with it. Okay, so for Bitcoin, I'm getting my charts going. I'm not getting this because I'm already in it on another broker, and she's already gone where I want her to go, so it's kind of a risky trade. So that's why I didn't do anything yet. One of One oh seven, 107, 107, gosh, 107, 393, modify. Hopefully she'll give us more than what we're asking for. We're asking for 200 points more. And then I want to pull her over here. I want to look at both of them. Sorry, traders. So I'm going to move this over to my other monitor over here. I won't be able to show you what we see. Oops. You will be okie dokie. Okay, let's see if we can mix some things up. Okay, so now what? Oh. I tell you, maybe we can look at this a lot. Wait, I don't need this one. Market traders. This one broker, they don't want you to win. They really don't. They really. Okay, nice trade on Bitcoin. Next is going to go those zones. So we have a 15-minute exodus cross. Did we hit our zone? Looks like we did. Look at that. Oh, we passed it. We surpassed it. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So let's see. Okay. Problem here is we are not in it now. I don't know if she'll give us more. We're right at almost a 100% retracement, so asking for 300 points more. She might 107, 107, 107, 797. Okay. Now here on this account, it's tricky because we're right at the bottom. And right now, you really want to pull back if you're not in it. You want to pull back. Okay, I'm trying to squeeze everything out of this sucker. Yeah, she's getting ready to do 100% retracement on Bitcoin. I come back up in here to tap it. Already in. All right, let's see. Let's measure how much more she'll come up. 300 points. Good Lord, that's a lot. Now I missed the opportunity to take this pullback. Now, this is the question. Is she going to pull back to continue to go or is she done? That's the question right now that you would ask yourself, because that will determine if you're going to take the pullback or wait that she might do another bounce now. She's hit all support levels. She's gone for zone trader. She's come to your zone. She's come to you. You waited for her to. Oh, it kicked me out. Turn it off. Okay, so it kicked me out of my one trade. It didn't get the 4,000 points I wanted, but I got about 700 or 800 points out of it. Oh, on the 1 hour, she's totally at a 100% retracement. So if you wanted a safer entry, you would wait for time frames, which is like the 1 minute. So when she came up into here, that's why it's good to have someone measuring this for you, because it doesn't look like a big move, and so I didn't act on it. And really, that was a 300-point move right there. So that was bad. That was your re-entry right here. It would have been really tricky, but that was your re-entry. And she is doing a 100% retracement, trader. So let me show you what that looks like. This is with Trading View. See that? I guess you need to stay with the 1 hour. Hold on. Let me go back here. 1 hour. Put it on 999. She's coming back in to test this zone again, hopefully. So those that are waiting for her to come here, it's like 500 more points. But right here is the 100% retracement I'm talking about. All this support right here, she might just bounce. So on the lower time frames, you've got to be careful, because if you didn't get in earlier, you're at the bottom. So the safest bet is to either wait or wait on the pullback. Measuring back up is 300 points, so I'm going to be looking to do that. See if I can get it. My 15 seconds is going to let me know if I can see this rebound or not. The 15 second is going to let me know if I can see this rebound up, if it's ready.
Order filled.
We should go a little bit deeper. A little bit more, a little bit more, a little bit more. Now push it up, push it up, push it up. Higher, higher, higher. I don't want 37. No, it's not gonna
Order
do it.
filled.
Damn it.
Order filled.
Now this, she might just go ahead and turn back around and take that buy. What I'm trying to do is I'm trying to catch the continuation back down. We need her to break this here. Right now, the person on my team would be measuring this. Okay, good. She broke it. She might just break it. I'm gonna go ahead and hurry up and hit break even. And now we're going to just take, either we're just gonna take profit or we're going to follow her run. This may be her bottom. How much less? 27 seconds left on this candle.
Order filled.
Which is out. Well, that was cool. So that's there showing the continuation to take just a little bit. We didn't get much profit. I was hoping for her to continue to push down more. Just wasn't sure, so grabbed some of the profit. That was a $40. I think I was at a $40 difference. So let's see if she's ready to do it now.
Order filled.
We'll see. She might start turning around now.
Order filled.
She's ready to turn back around. Okay, so this is what can happen with you trying to catch a little bit of the movement. With Bitcoin, there's so much opportunity that you just gotta see if you can get it or not. Or some people just don't. But I like traders that try this move because they have more experience than traders that are just honestly feel free to do it.
Order filled. Order filled.
Okay, I just wanted that little bit of right there. Now the question is going to be, since she's already at the 100% retracement, is she going to now start rebounding back up, or is she going to sell more? So there's couple ways to do this. I'm going to go on smaller size. Now you have to ask yourself, you're going to retest that zone, or is she rebounding back up? So those that don't know, they'll just take the sell right now and stop loss right above. If it kicks them out, then fine. But the thing with Bitcoin is that it's a lot of commission. So doing all of that is costly. Whereas if you were with NAS. Now, if you go to this concept here on the 2 minute, we broke this high, so continuation back up is more in our favor. Now, if it does buy back up, we need to see alert. I actually see stuff. So if she falls back up, we're looking right here. Where did it go? It's high. Okay. She buys back up, we're running here. Might pause here. That's the only bummer. Now, here, you could take this cell here. Let's take it and see. This is going to be expensive for me because it costs me a lot to get into these little bit of trades. But let me just show you. You can just do this. And then I'm going to wait for my cross. It's a later entry, but it's more secure. We might not even get that. We might not even
Order
get
rejected.
it. Oh, order rejected. I can't do it. Oh, okay, so now what you get clarity off of the higher time frames. Okay, nice strong bar, should see a continuation. Remember, we're at strong areas of support and resistance, so this is really just kind of grab some funds again. Okay, really trying to grab some funds again. We were initially preparing for the sell, for the buy back up. We were initially preparing for the buy back up, but she didn't do that. So I was waiting on a stronger confirmation for the higher lot size to get into the trade with a stronger amount. It didn't give us that. Now here we have the support. Is she going to break through it, or is she going to reject and push back up again? Let's see if she breaks and closes below here. And then you got to ask yourself, are you taking the profit, or are you going to hit the pullback? Are you going to take the profit, or are you going to hit the pullback? Are you going to, experience the pullback? So that's what you have to ask yourself. We got 12 seconds left on this candle. My eyelashes are hurting. Um, let's measure this. Hurry up. 100 points? These candles, they don't look like a lot, but that's 100 points. Come on, mama, push it down. 20 seconds left on this candle. Do it, do it. All right, I'm gonna take my profit before she doesn't. All right, now that I know that I'm at the bottom, I'm not playing this game no more. I'm gonna wait for her to figure out what she wants to do. You'll end up just losing your money on that. So we missed that last movement. That's a bummer. This is looking exactly like Bitcoin right now. So technically, you know, I'd want to wait for 2 more candles on the 5, so 10 more minutes from now to find out what she's gonna do. Some traders will scalp the crap out of all of this, running $50 lots, $200 lots just for a quick point. So in this type of environment, they'll do that. Yeah, so we're at the heartbeat zone on the 1 hour for her to turn around. Let's look at this with more clarity. So we're going to put it on a 1 minute time frame screen. And let's put it on the 5 minute. Let's look at it. What happened? Okay. So we were in on this cross. I was in beforehand. This is where we were going to go if he buys back up at that one time. So now on the 5 minute, we're really just caught in this zone right here. So she did a 100% retracement off of the 15 minute, almost made it right back down to here. So she's definitely ready to buy. And that's what's going on. Okay, so you could technically enter for the buy on a smaller size, which I'm going to do right here. Okay, and so we can go ahead and we're gonna have a buy off of this size. You know what? I'm gonna close the account up. One contract
Order filled.
Okay, so what we're doing now is we're taking the long-term trade too. So we're gonna move our stop loss down here. So she doesn't continue on, then come out with a $32 loss. But looking at it with what's going on, where you're at, almost 100% retracement, awesome entry for the rebound. Where's my... Okay, so I have my stop loss down here because it wicked it. That's for the wick. That's 160 points. So you see if you'll get it or not. That's a good entry. If she falls even further, then and hits the stop loss, then you can just say, well, you know what? I had a really good entry. Well, actually, I'm sorry. If she settles back down and hits your stop loss, it's okay because you can be like, you know what? I got an even better entry now. Okay, so what works well for that is when you are in smaller size. And good advice. And you can still have enough mindset in your mind being like, okay, no problem. I'll just go in for the high, the lower entry. But after a session and you're just still doing a large size, then you really do come down. So I am with hope that she will not sell this back down. But if she does, then we need to hurry up and shift our mindset and say, all good, a better buy entry for us. If she buys up. Okay. So that's what that looks like. Also on this 15-minute, oh, I know. We need to look at our momentum. It's literally at the bottom. It hasn't turned up yet. It's flat. Okay. All right, let's see where she's at. On this other chart I have open. Give me another thought concept. Oh, okay. So she may be coming down into here and then I back up. So a better entry for us. See that buy? She may be coming right down here, 300 points more to retest this. So that might be what she's really wanting to do. This candles on the 1 hour. Yeah. So if she's still going to sell by 300 points, Mr. Enters in it with it. Dang it. 300 points. That's where the person on my team would be letting us know all of this. Look, she did freaking go up to where I said she'd go. How we missed that? Let me follow her. Look, husband. Look. Went right up where I said she'd go. Dang it. Yeah, that sucks. I want to watch the replay on that. I missed that up and back down. I forget. I said something where I was like, we just won't. You're gonna wait. Wait, is this the 15? Oh, this is the 15-minute. Okay, hold on. I'm like, wait a minute here. This might not be what happened. Okay, it didn't. I was gonna say, hold on. These lights above me are really hurting my eyes. So for 300 more points for that zone, on the one on the 1 minute, it looks like
Order filled.
oh my gosh, I don't know what size I went in on. Okay. So she does this. Yeah. So on the 5 real quick. Hurry up. Hurry up. You gotta watch your mind. Oh shoot. Gotta watch your mind thought. Where am I at? Where is it? Alright, this is what I want. But remember, this, it might already be at this zone. Yeah, very much so on this platform. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3 bar push. Nice, but we really do have exactly where she should be going. If we get another push further, it'd be even better. You know, with trading, it's all about, for me, it's about patterns, what you remember seeing. So this is that zone to zone trading that traders will do. Okay. They'll wait for price to come to them before they enter to take the buy back up. So we're at the top of this zone. Strong support right here too. See how it reversed? So it's right there at that location. Alright, Um, so really you want to use your risk to reward tool and see if what you're willing to want to make is worth your risk. Because I know what I'm doing is not really worth it. Okay, I think I got in here. I don't know where I got in at. I have my stop loss right here, but I don't know if we'll go down that row. So if I go just here, I think it's right at where I want it to be. So I don't want to lose all this money. I don't even want to lose $20. I don't even want to lose $19. You know, we really, this is what our hard call. You could go ahead and go break even. And that's the something. So she pushes even more. But at least now we're in break even. There's magnifying
Order
and
filled.
you know what happened too? She'll push on down real hard, real hard. Okay, that's good. So now you're just trying to grab for the very end. So the good news is that when she gets down to this location, we have a nice free entry for the buyback. 168 points. That's a lot. So this is what it looks like on the two. Oh, I had that sucker right there. This is where it kicked us out at. Let's go into the demo real quick. And let's do it from here. Okay, so we have a re-entry right here. Look here. 85 $85 for down here for 130. I don't want to take this, but I don't want to do if she does or not. Short. This is kind of right here. Yeah, our stop loss. There's our stop loss right here. And our TP is right here. So that's a 31%, not even a 1% risk to reward. I don't think this thing is measuring right. Yeah, it's here. It's a 2-to-1 risk to reward. This is here. And here's the 2-to-1. So we're going in here. So that's a 3-to-1 risk to reward. We shall do it. Risking $85 for $130. And we're right at the bottom, so we're really scooping up the remaining. Here's we'll do it or not. So while we look at that, I have her hitting the zone that we wanted. I think this zone right here is the zone that we had marked up when we first got started. It's at that location.
show you. Look at that. See that? That's what we marked up before session from my Exodus class. That might not be right. It is the location where I want her to go. Here's the 1 hour what it looks like. We're testing this zone. Dun, 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 boom.
Boom, baby. Check it out. Oh, oh Lord. You know what? Let's go do that. Nope. That was the wrong one. Okay, let's see what she's doing. Gonna push it. She's hitting the pull back to come up into this level. See if these zones will hold her down. We almost pushed it right down there. So we'll ask yourself, so when they say follow the EMAs as your guide, you got to just be able to hold that pullback. So when it got down to here, you would measure this. How much of your partner would measure that for you? It's gonna have a 260 point pullback if you want to hold that. That's what they would be saying to you, or you're gonna get out. So you're risking now 260 points. This is how much that pullback is. 100, almost a 200 point pullback. So is she going to continue to push reverse and continue to sell, or is that the bottom and now you just hit the bottom? So let's see if she comes and reverses. Now here, what traders would say is, oh, she's coming back up to that support, and then for the continue, and then they get in for the continuation back down. So they're waiting. They're going to say, oh, she's going to come back up here. They'll wait for the retest and then the sell back down. Okay. So let's see if she does that, because it might be this is the bottom and now she's going to move up over here. And we have a big impulse now up here. So either that will happen or she'll come back up, retest this, and get more strength to come back down and get what we want. So let's see which scenario she does. So this is scenario 1, 2. Option 1, and then this is option 2. Okay. Option 1 or option 2? What do you traders think? She's going to do option 1. Oops. Option 1 or option 2? What do you think? Option 1, pass on through, or sell to, and we make our target. A lot of traders feel a lot more comfortable doing this type of play. Oh, excuse me. Feel a lot better about doing this type of play.
I can't remember what I was gonna say. What I was gonna say. Sorry. So this is going down nicely.
So here, traders, does not look like it's going to continue to push back up, and looks like we will hit our zone. Now, you can go ahead. See, what happens is I've noticed that traders will use this retest, to take, have it retest and then take it. But they don't know that, hey, their EMAs are doing the same thing like that retest does. So if it came up here and did retest it, it's also testing the EMA. So your support and resistance levels where you go to hit, wait for the retest is the same as traders who follow the EMA. Because I know what I'm doing is I'm following price and letting the EMA guide me. Now you don't have them on your chart because you don't use them. You're using the retest. Don't down us for traders that do use the EMA because it's the same concept, influence. So don't down us and whatever. It's good to be able to see how all the different personalities of trading work together. All right, so that was cool. That's pretty cool. So what does that mean for us on the bigger time frame now? It means we have a better trade opportunity. We have a better trade opportunity for a better entry, a lower entry for the buy back up. When am I gonna take the buy back up? When is she gonna be ready? I will. Well, there's a couple of things that I do with Bitcoin because if I take it off of my 5-minute Exodus cross telling me for the buy back up, that's a good signal. If I wait for this 15-minute, I could have lost off of the 5-minute signal about 700 points. So, but my main signal is my Exodus cross. So traders, you need to learn my Exodus cross. That is the safest entry without the more of a probability that she is going to continue in that direction. Whereas just trying to say like right now, some traders might get in and be like, okay, well, I know I have a little pullback, but at least I got a low entry. I'm not going to be near my charts to actually get in a better entry like you are. I don't have your Exodus cross. I don't have that. So I'm okay with that. I'm just going to have a pullback, or she might just go ahead and turn right around right now and it all works out. But that's my re-entry method for the buy back up, is having a better probability of my Exodus cross letting me back in, either off of the 2-minute or the 5-minute or the 15. This is definitely more secure, but you're missing a lot of points waiting that long. And you would also need to go to the higher time frames and check out what your momentum is saying. So look, we're coming right. She's coming right into it. Yeah. So on the 4-hour traders that are trading this, my fib, here's my fib. She's doing a 100% retracement. So she's filled this whole area back up. She came up and then filled it back up. So whoever got in up here, beautiful entry. So you're I think I had that. Got kicked out again because my stop loss was too darn tight. But when was that? The 22nd. Oh, okay, so 22nd. May 22nd was, oh, that was a week ago. Okay, boom, 100% retracement. So we have a great entry. We have a great entry now. Darn, that would have been a nice sell. Take that. Let's see what Nas is doing too. Man, I tell you what, I had that trade. I had my tight just a little bit too tight. Well, what happens? What happens? What happens? What happens? So this is just like what Bitcoin looks like. So let's go ahead. I do Bitcoin and Nas. Okay, I trade Bitcoin and Nas, primarily Bitcoin, but I also trade Nas. And also low to high 4 hour. Do you traders know how to make these templates? So helpful. I'll do a show on how to do that. Okay. So she still has much more room to come down off of this 4 hour fib. Really is a day fib, but I did it off of the 4 hour. So looks like she's gonna fulfill that fib. 200 and some more points. Maybe a pullback first. Just don't know. But dang, I knew that was a good entry there. Dang it, dang it, dang it. I had it just above, like a little here. Just above it a little. It was 43 points. Yeah. But yes, let me put this down here. Usually I like to draw my fibs on the, I do, on line. And this was May 23rd. Excuse me. Boy, this was a good session. Didn't make a lot of money. I only made money actually. I did off of that demo, darn it all. But let's go back here. We missed the rebound. Okay, so rebound that way. We anticipated that. We weren't. I was not thinking that way at all. With this rejection, huge opportunity to get back up. Oh,
All right, let's see if we can get this rebound. Here. I don't think so. I think it's going to come back in. What do you think, Taylor? Do you think she's ready for the rebound? Or the You could right now take this stop loss right here. If she doesn't commit and sell, then as she does, beautiful entry. Or you could take the buy right now, stop loss right under here. I am going to wait for the safer entry. See if I can get it. $500 points. That would be so great if she does that. 85 points for a 500 point gain. That would be so awesome if she gave us that and slammed it right into it. Oh my gosh, I'd be so ecstatic. So if she breaks and closes above here, that's going to be our signal that we could still have that continuation. I'm looking at this one chat and I just can't say anything nice. I'm not gonna say anything. Traders, let me show you why we're waiting. We're waiting right now on my Exodus setup to tell us to get in. Let me show you the Exodus setup to sell them. Right in this zone here. And you cut all that yum yum, right? And then you follow the EMAs. Follow the yellow brick road. Follow the yellow brick road. I remember I used to trade like that, and I would be like wanting to get out so bad. I literally would be saying to myself, follow the yellow brick road. 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 And that would be my yellow EMA right here. And I would be like, do not get out. Follow the yellow brick road. And when you got up to the EMA, you wait on 2 candles, or I would. And we're still in rejection, 2 candles passed. Then you would be out. Here's another great entry. Stop loss right above. These are safer entries. When you're getting in here and you're seeing it move, you're risking the potential of it coming back and doing this. It could just still keep gliding, but no. So then here, coming back up, see, when you're like in this, it's so much better to wait for it to come back to this 21 EMA and then take it. Stop loss right above and then take it down.
But I was doing was I was already like down in this, and then with hopes of retesting it to go even down deeper, like in the sea. But see how it's better to wait for this. Now I'm getting ready to take my excess cross. I might not be quite ready for my 15-second open starting up.
Order rejected.
Oh, order rejected.
Order filled.
Okay, we're looking to go right here. Right there. Come on, mama. Push it up. So this is that play that we were calling for earlier to see if she was going to do it. She's not. She's doing it now. For the short-term trend change. Short-term trend change. Now we could go ahead and move her into break even, but that's close. I don't like that there. I am willing to take it a little bit lower for more of a goal. Okay, when she gets up into this zone, I'm either going to take my profit or I'm going to trend line trade it. Come on, baby. It'd be better if she pushed it all the way out. It's always much funner that way. 12 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 225 points in front of us. Candle breaking and closing above. I am now going to move to break even. We're right at support right here. Don't like this candle here. Oh, you know what? No.
Good. You. Come on, Mom. Up. Come on, baby. Push her up. Right at the support level. Push up, push up, push up.
Come on, mama, push it, push it, push it, push it. Come on, baby. Come on. This isn't looking good for us. Come on, you can do it. You can do it. Come on. We usually want her
Order
to do it, so
filled.
she's not going to do it, so I'm out. Usually that would just be a continuation back up. So she will go there, but not on this run. Dang, that was a bummer. But look what you whipped her. Look what we whipped her out of. We whipped her out. We whipped her at over 1,000 points. Yeah, she's done. So that person on my team would have been measuring that, been like, girlfriend, you you might want to take your profit now because she just ran over 1,000 lap, 1,000 uh 1,000 laps. She just ran 1,000 laps. She's a little tired. You want that 200 more. Be happy with that 1,000 points. Now, we didn't get that 1,000 points because we weren't getting back in until this zone. So this is really like two parts. I like to say this is two parts here. So here's one part. And here's the second part.
Order filled.
You should do it. Come on, mama. Push her up just a little bit more. You had your pullback. You had your pullback. Come on, baby. Come on, come on, come on. Now she may do that move. Am I still streaming? Yeah, I am still streaming. Yeah, it's still streaming. Okay, good. She's pushing it up. She's pushing it up. Cool, 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 cool. Go, mama. She needs to break this high here. Okay, she needs to break this high right here. And then we want her to go here. We want her to go there. Come on, baby. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Nice
Guess
run.
what? Guess what?
Guess what?
Guess what?
What? What do we got, love? What do we got? 2-minute Exodus cross. Awesome. 2-minute Exodus cross. That's going to give us more confidence. Woohoo. Yeah, baby. She's going to go there. You can do it. There's my trend line exit. Okay, we're going to move our stop into profit and up a little bit more. Okay, so we have another candle, 2 seconds left on this candle. She needs to break and close above this to push us up where we want her to go. Oh, she's breaking our trend line exit. Not good. We don't like that. Bad, bad, bad. Bad, bad, bad. Come on. Right now, traders could be out off of that trend line exit. Could be out. I'm going to be out.
filled.
Dang, I thought she was going to do it. Strong support. See that, traders? Strong support right here. Whenever you have hesitation like that as new traders, look over here and do these little arrows, and they'll help you see like, oh, we've had it where it was going down and then it stopped. And now it started going up. Then it went down. Then right hit the zone just a little bit. Oh, hold on. Let me see if I can get this re-entry.
Order filled.
Okay, we can just grab it. Just grab it, grab. There she go. There she go. There she go. Come on. Nice healthy candles. And see if we can get a little bit more break even. Hurry up, break even. Break even. Come on, baby, push her up just a little bit more. We're going to see if we can get a little bit more out of her since she took that pullback. Okay, see if she can get a little bit more since we took that pullback. And we're not on the right screen to see it. Come on, baby, you can do it just a little bit more, just a little more. Just a little more so we can make up for the commission. A little bit more. Come on, baby. Come on, you can do it. You can do it. You can do it. Come on. We're either going to take all the profit or none of the profit.
Order filled.
Okay, we got it. All right. So she did go right to our zone. See that? Boom. Hit right to the zone. Yes. So I was showing you something, but then I saw that we could have gone ahead and grabbed that. So I was able to jump into that. And now we have our rejection. I am glad that I took that profit there. She might go ahead and continue to push up. But notice here on that trend line exit, I like that exit, trend line exit, I call it. And what you do is if it breaks your trend line, either by 1 bar or 2 bars, you can be out, or you just be out without the candle finishing. Up to you, really up to you. But what we need to concentrate on now is that we've had an Exodus cross. So for the big picture, because now we're stuck in these little time frames, in the big picture, we're at a great entry. Let's go back on this chart and look at it better. We actually missed that awesome entry on a lower time frame. Messing with all that. Ah, that was a great entry for us. Darn it and all. Darn it and all. That was a great entry for us. It's a bummer. That was a good entry for us, darn it. Remember, I was telling you I was going to wait on my Exodus cross.
So we'll wait. Oh, wait, I think we already have it on this broker. I think we already have it on this broker. Not quite yet, almost. Okay, that's fine. So we're still safe. We're still safe. Oh, we got to check the 4-hour candle on Bitcoin. This is what I also do. Oh my gosh, I have a lunch meeting. Right now I would be getting in on this sell, but that's a big stop loss. Yeah, so that would be no good. But at least we took the candle. All right. Well, that was a great session. Yay! I'm so happy. That was a really, really good session. Praise the Lord. Really good trade. Went right where we wanted her to go. Performed really well. Right to the execution zone. All right, traders. I hope you learned a lot. I really do. A lot of information covered. I will see you tomorrow. Have a great day. Remember, keep to your rules. Max loss per trade, don't violate it. Max loss per day. Definitely don't mess that up. All right, I'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.